Hello, my name is Robert Hillier and this is the second session of our Happily Ever After program. And this session is probably the most difficult one, not because it's hard to do, but because some people find it boring. It's actually not boring, and the result is anything but boring, but it can be boring because it's a thing called ranking. In the first session, the one we did previously, you were asked just to develop a list of all the problems you had in your relationship, and I hope that wasn't too depressive because it's not meant to be. Now you've got to do something with that list. So now in this session, I've given you a system for ranking, and what I love about this system, it's the best system I've found where you rank every item with every other item. Now the problem is when you don't do this, you can go to a lot of work and still end up with the wrong one up the top. When you rank every item with every other item, you will find that you'll be surprised at what comes up. If you just look over it like a lot of people do and say, that one's the most important, that one, then that one. No, that's just you making a judgment. But I want you to go through and look at every single item against every other item. So when you've got this finished, you know you've got the place to start. And those first two or three, they will be corkers. They'll be the ones you really have to resolve. They'll be the ones you really are stuck on. And resolve those. The interesting thing is when you resolve the ones you're really and truly stuck on, a lot of the other problems just fall by the wayside. They get fixed too. So what you're doing in this one is to find the biggest problem, the one you really need to work on most, because that's the one where the result will give you the greatest growth and development in your whole relationship and in practically your whole life. The good thing is that once you get this system, once you learn this system, then you've got it forever. Now, the system itself is in another video as well. It's in another slideshow which has got a commentary to it. So have a look at that one, learn how to do the ranking, and then go and do it, and you've got yourself a decision-making tool for the rest of your life. Congratulations and well done. Thank you.